hauled into court or even to jail. It's happening in Pennsylvania. And the ACLU, the American Civil Liberties Union, is fighting back, suing the state police for charging people with disorderly conduct for swearing. The plaintiffs include a pizza delivery driver who landed in jail after cursing at the cop who gave him a parking ticket, and a woman who cursed at a swerving motorcyclist. Valerie Birch is a staff attorney with the ACLU of Pennsylvania. Look, I'm just going to go on the record and say it's never a good idea to swear at cops in the vicinity of police officers. I think it's disrespectful. But is it against the law? Valerie, is it against the law to swear?
Oh, I'm sorry. Absolutely not. It's not against the law to swear at police. There is a difference between profanity and obscenity. Obscenity is what's illegal. Profanity is not. To swear is human, I guess I could say, and people have a right to do it. They shouldn't land in jail for it.
Okay, so if that's the case, where do you draw the line between profanity and obscenity? Because a lot of people call the F word, or some of the ones that I consider worse, obscene.
Well, people might think of that in lay terms as being obscene, but the courts have clearly said that obscenity must involve some sort of intent to sexually arouse. So unless you're using the F word with that intent, it's not illegal. It can't be prohibited. It's protected First Amendment speech.
And what do you make of the fact that the state police have lumped that in with disorderly conduct? Because again, if you're talking about it in a common sense way, I don't like it when I'm walking down the street and people are throwing those words around. And I hate to see it, especially. I see it on the subway when there are children involved. It does seem disorderly.
Well, there's a difference between being disruptive and committing a crime. People have a lot of rights on the public streets, and certainly it's not polite to use that kind of language, but you have a right to do it, and you're not a criminal for using that language.
Okay, so
the difference here is that,
go ahead.
Police have no business regulating our manners. They shouldn't be throwing people in jail for 90 days because they have bad manners.
Okay, so the ACLU reviewed your police records. They found 770 citations involving profanities and other legal, you say, non-obscene speech. The statute carries a possible 90-day jail term, a $300 fine. What kind of outcome are you hoping to get?
Our main goal here is to educate the police officers that they can't cite people for using curse words. That's the main goal. We think that 770 citations is a whole lot for 1 year, and so it seems to us that the police certainly don't know the law, which has been clear since 1971, actually.
Valerie, I appreciate you coming on with me. Thank you.